Go ahead.
So when you're receiving your Aeron, you will see sometimes that your back is a little off on your holes being lined up here. So go ahead and choose one side. We're going to go with the left here. Grab your bit that we sent and your back bolt. We're going to go ahead and get this side bolted in first. Okay, now that we've got that side secure, you're just going to want to go ahead and you'll see you've got a little play here. Just pull it up tight. You're not going to hurt anything by doing that. Get your bolt in there. And just like that, we get our last one. And perfect, your back is lined up, and that should not hurt the integrity of the chair by doing that.